Creative ways to use stone countertops. Stone countertops have become increasingly popular in recent years due to their durability, timeless elegance, and low maintenance. In addition to their traditional use in kitchens and bathrooms, there are a variety of creative ways to incorporate stone countertops into your home design. With modern architecture, stone countertops can be used in innovative and unconventional ways, adding a touch of sophistication to any room. Let's check out some of the many creative ways you can use natural stone or quartz countertops in more ways than just kitchen surfaces and bathroom vanities. Living room centerpiece. One unique way to use stone countertops is as a centerpiece in your living room. Using stone countertops as a focal point in your living room can create a stunning and luxurious atmosphere. For instance, a fireplace facade made of a natural stone or quartz can bring a natural element to your living space while adding a touch of luxury. Imagine cozying up to a roaring fire with the sleek and elegant backdrop of a stone countertop. Outdoor entertainment area. Another creative way to use stone countertops is in your outdoor living space. Imagine transforming your backyard into a luxurious oasis by incorporating natural stone countertops like granite or quartzite into your outdoor kitchen or bar area. With their high wearing resistance and low absorption, natural stone countertops are a perfect choice for outdoor environments. They can withstand the elements and provide a durable and stylish surface for cooking, entertaining, and enjoying time with family and friends. Workspace or bedroom. One innovative way to use stone countertops is in your home office or workspace. In today's world, where remote work is becoming more prevalent, creating a functional and beautiful home office is essential. By using a stone countertop as your desk surface, you can bring elegance and sophistication to your workspace. You can even use stone countertops as an elegant office or bedroom backdrop, creating a professional or sophisticated yet luxurious atmosphere. Bathroom interiors. Bathrooms are another creative space where stone countertops can be used in unique ways. Rather than just using countertops traditionally for bathroom vanities, consider incorporating a stone countertop as a statement piece. For example, a marble or granite countertop slab used as a shower backdrop or wall piece can turn your bathroom into a luxurious spa-like retreat. Not only will it elevate the aesthetic appeal of your bathroom, but the high wearing resistance and low absorption properties of stone countertops make them ideal for withstanding moisture and humidity in a bathroom setting. Customization and installation of stone countertops have become increasingly popular, offering a wide range of possibilities for incorporating these elegant surfaces into your home. From the classic beauty of granite to the versatility and customization options of an engineered stone like quartz, there is a perfect countertop for every space in your home. The possibilities with stone countertops and the creative ways you can use them are endless. If you're someone looking for custom home designs using stone countertops, come visit one of our stores in the Tampa Bay area. We specialize in custom projects and have a team of experts who can help bring your vision to life. To watch more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel.